So first we have the vocabulary. The first one is
material,
material. A substance that something is or can be made of, and delays getting building materials to sit have
site.
a site. Yes, site, of course. Site have sent us back a few weeks.
Right. You know what energy is?
energy,
Yeah, I know energy.
Okay, then we can go
Or
across.
okay,
Do you know labor?
labor work, especially physical rather than mental work. Oh, the price on the okay. Oh, now I got it.
Okay.
Labor.
And delivery? You know that one?
Delivery. Oh no.
Okay.
And I see the art of bringing letters Parker's process somewhere. Urban it is my favorite food. Delivery saves. Okay.
All right. And the next one, regular.
Regular. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Regular. Yeah.
Okay, great. All right. Well, then you can read this one.
And okay, over 16% of McDonald's Japan menus sees price rise, and it is getting more expensive to eat and drink in Japan. According to Teikoku Teikoku
Mm-hmm.
Data Bank, more than and to
20,000.
how do I say? Oh yeah, 20,000 everyday food and drink in the
Items.
country because item
Mm-hmm.
okay item drink on the item in the country became more expensive in 2025, and it is not just places like supermarkets that are seeing price trends. And on February 25, McDonald's Japan's increased price on about 16% of its menu items, with the company saying higher material, emerging,
Energy.
energy,
Mm-hmm.
energy, and the broad cost mean it must increase price across the country. Price have gone up by 10 to 50 yeah, yuan, or 10 to 50 yuan, and which is about 20 and
0.06.
0.06 to 0.7
32.
32 $32. And
Numbers
for
are difficult.
example, yeah. And then for example, the Big Mac has increased from 400 yuan to 500 yuan, a change of about 4%. All three sides of McDonald's fridge price also cost 20 yuan more than before, and the price of the cheeseburger has increased by 20 yuan too. This comes after the cheeseburger already saw a price increase in 2025. And however, not all menu items have changed in price. And for example, hamburgers and
Teriyaki.
teriyaki McBurgers are staying the same price whether customers want to buy them around or as part of con combo.
Combo.
Combo. Okay. Their price have no change. And the company also said price may be different in certain places. McDonald's stores at airports and in big city may have different price, but delivery service may also use different price from regular restaurant.
Prices. Use different
Oh,
prices.
yes,
Yeah.
prices
Yeah.
from regular restaurant.
Okay, very good. So, how many food and drink items became more expensive in Japan 2025? Was it A or B?
Uh, I B
B, I think
B
A. Right.
yeah.
And by how much did the Big Mac increase in price in February?
Oh, I think it's A, right?
Yeah, 4%. And which menu item is staying the same price?
Oh, is I think it's
Yeah,
hamburgers.
that's right. Yeah. Good. So, what are your thoughts on McDonald's Japan's increasing its price?
Um, what I thought, I think because of the increase of the material, so the burgers increase their price. Yeah.
Yeah, so the materials that they get from and all the stuff they get from the McDonald's, yeah, it's all gone up, eh? So how often do you get McDonald's and what's your usual order?
Um, I don't know. I eat McDonald's less, so less. I usually order food for KFC and a Chinese burger restaurant called Tasting. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay. When you do go to McDonald's, what do you normally order?
Um.
Big Mac, cheeseburger,
Uh. Yes, maybe cheeseburger and
chicken wrap.
oven is cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah, and some chopstick. Yeah.
Oh, right.
Uh,
Some chips. I
yeah.
normally
It's just,
order the chicken wrap from them.
the
I
chicken.
don't, yeah, they have a chicken wrap as well, which is quite nice.
Oh,
But I also, like you, I don't go to McDonald's often. You know, it's quite unhealthy, I think, to go too often. Mm. What are the most popular fast food chains in China?
mm, uh, the most popular fast food things in China.
Yeah, fast food restaurants. What
Mm,
are the most popular fast
I
food restaurants in China?
I think is must be the KFC and the McDonald's. Yeah, and
Hmm.
but some there's Chinese restaurants also grow up, such as I told you, like Austin, and we also have a burgers restaurant called 华来士. It's famous too. And I remember the 华来士restaurants had opened more than, and I need to search. It's so I
Okay.
remember it's over 18 88 18 18 and I need to search.
No problem.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I see. I see the such as our Chinese burger restaurant 华莱士. and it has more than two 2000, and I don't know how to say.
2000?
Uh, yeah. Uh, let me type in chat. Let me send it for you.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So we're also running out of time, but it was
Oh
nice
yeah.
to chat with you about the fast food and that. Take care.
Okay.
See you. Have a good
Okay. See
Sunday.
you.
All right. Bye. And that's a wrap. I hope you all enjoyed that. And always like and subscribe. See you on the flip side. Bye.